Hello guys, today I show you how to CSGO aiming tutorial. Okay, so the first aim tutorial I do is you go into the map, any map, and then you start flicking your hand like this. What that does is it warm you up. So then when you join the wrong team and oh shoot, okay. Alright, so you just see, so when you aim, you want to aim right at their feet, starting down. That way when the spray get them, okay? The spray got them so good. Yeah, ooh. And I say, basically we just repeat this process for 2,000 bots, yes? Okay? And then, after that, my next thing I'll do is I'll do the surf. Easy surf right there, and basically what this does is it warms up your flick of the wrist movement. Okay, right? So hello. Okay, so as you can see, we have now joined the surf world, and you actually don't need hands, because when you surf with your body like this, and basically how you surf is you move the mouse a lot in flicking motions. Okay, this warms up the mind and the body. Look, you go like this. And what this does, it also movement. You become movement basically. We. One tip that also helps a lot of players is big skin equals skill. As you can see here, we have Karambit, Ruby, and yeah, and just looking after your favorite CSGO players as well. Following them, you know, it helps a lot to aim better. And I know you may be thinking, Crimson Huber, this is gonna take too long. I don't have 6,000 hours to spend in the game like you. Well, you only need 2,000 hours to get this method. So this will save you about 60,000 hours. You get you a really good. I like this one better. You get you a really good crosshair. That way you can learn how to aim like I can. And I swear this will save you countless hours from playing the game. Okay guys, that is all for the tutorial, and thank you all for watching. Goodbye.